Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you a very beautiful design. It will be very easy for beginners and people who still cannot put their hands too good yet. So it will help them much quicker. So we're going to start. All right, today what we're going to do is, this is my mother-in-law's mother-in-law needle lace, which is Armenian needle lace, which is even more delicate, a tinier thread than mine, usually that I use. So I want to show you, we're going to do this design over here, this part, which is very simple, easy, but it's very, very pretty. So I treasure this. So we're going to start to do this. What it is now that usually when we start from the beginning, when you go on my video, you see all the needle laces. You'll see from the beginning to the end, and then you'll see a lot of new designs. So now instead me to fill it up just like this, to finish it up like this, I want to tell you that I have a lot of patrons on my patreon.com, which they are supporting me. So I'm sending them very little motif like this, so in future they can put them together and they can make it like different designs together. So what I wanted to say is I just did it the beginning over here, and on this one I'm going to do always different design, and that's how I'm going to send my patrons. And I want to thank to all of you that supporting and watching and liking and subscribing my channel. So now the design that we have to do, which I showed you, this is design, it's going to be this part here. What I did now, I turn it around. And when you want to know that your needle lace won't be lopsided, when you reach wherever, you make sure you count. Let's say this is the first layer and this is the second. So when you go around, look at here, this is first and this is second. They have to meet each other. Here is the last 1, 2. If I go here, this will be 3, and then I have to go one more time to make it 3, so it will be even. So now this side is 2 and this side is 2, they met each other. It means it's second row I did and I finished it. Now the design we're going to do, it's a little pedal with jumping. Now sometimes when the seeds it's a little big, you don't have to jump, but you have to pull your thread this way to the right. If you are right-handed, to the right, and bring it to the edge, so it will make a little bigger seeds. All right, here we go. Now this is a small, we have to jump here. So we're going to jump one yes, one seed yes, one seed no. You see, so we have to make it a little bigger, the seeds. So now we're going to jump again. Now I want to show you over here when I'm jumping. If I come this edge towards to me, to the right, it will be too big. So what do? You go to the left a little bit. So we have to see our eye measurement to make it even all the seeds that you jump. Now, this is the first layer. Of course, you have to be careful to be all the same. And then later on, you don't have to worry about it because we're going to go automatically on top of it. So the first layer, we have to be very careful not to be too big and not to be too small. So now I jump one, I jump another one. Over here I didn't jump. Here I'm going to jump again because the bottom seeds are not that big. It's not like too far from each other. Sometimes, because it can happen, which I always tell you, do not worry if it's sometimes a little shorter, longer, but you have to do again your judgment and not to make it too big or too small. Try to make it kind of even, the seeds. See over here, maybe this is a little smaller than this, but it's not noticeable. When we go around, you're going to see it the same way. So now we didn't jump, and next one we're jumping. Doesn't mean that we have to do the same way all the time. Sometimes we might always jump, sometimes we might not jump at all, not like from the small seeds. As long as you see they are getting even. So now that I'm a little far here, for example, I'll bring it to this side this time, and I pull my thread this way. So now when I go here, it will be normal. There you go. See how it is? So now we have to finish this row, and then I guess I will do this by myself. And I want to say, if anybody never done this needle lace, Armenian needle lace, I want to show you. You put your needle into the seeds and you put the thread on top, and this will go, the back part goes under the needle, in case if you never seen it. But I want to say, you can go on my videos, and then next to it, it says playlist. If you click on a playlist, you see all the needle laces from the beginning to the end. Always I'm repeating, because always there is new people are watching and they would love to learn it. So that's why I have to repeat this, so they can see and they can learn. And there is whoever is advanced, which I see some people, they are sending me their videos, their needle lace work, and I really am impressed, I have to say. I think they can give a lesson now themselves. They do really beautiful job. I'm so happy for them. So I see it, some of them, they are doing colorful ones or different just color, one color. It's really beautiful. So keep doing it. You really admire yourself. You amazed yourself. Sometimes when I do something new and I try to do it by myself, like from somebody else, if I learn anything, I really enjoy. I won't believe that I did it by myself. There you go. So we're almost close. So I'm gonna show you again. So let's finish this line. There you go. Well, we can, this design, I don't know what does she call, I don't know, but we can call that, these are new seedling growing in the garden. New, like seeds are popping out. So, all right, now we're almost to the last. And I think when you do bigger seeds, it gets much quicker, but you don't have to do always big. You can do tiny designs and then bigger designs between them, the soldiers. It will look very, very, very beautiful. Now, over here, now we reach to the end. So what we have to do, we're gonna do seeds, a little petals, just a little petals. This is very simple, will be for you guys to do it. You know what, the first one over here, which she didn't do it, but I'm gonna do little seed first, and then I'm gonna put little petal. This is really easy. This is the design. What we have to do in each petal with the seeds over here, we have to do little petal in each seeds. So when I call seed, every little one that I jump, I call them seeds, but they all have a little name. So now I jump to the next petal, next seeds, and I have to do petal. So this is very, very easy for your hands to get used to do the work. So this is how you do. You don't do too big, you don't do too small. It has to be the same amount. And each seeds you go in, make a little flower petal. There you go. Don't make it too big, keep it small. So when we go around, we're gonna show you how it will be. There you go. Now you put in and you go under. You go in the same place and you go little petal, just like this. You go next, you just do regular seed, and then you do little petal. And again, let me repeat, you go next, and the thread always will be on top, and the back part goes under. So I'm going to finish this by myself, and I'm going to come around until here, so I will show you. Okay, so it's going to take a little time, so I want you to practice plenty. It's not hard, it's just good to do it. This is the easy way to learn to make your pedal measurement, so is the seeds. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.